Let me see the results for your hair. Alright, so one of them already fell out. So that means it's time to take these curlies out. Kinda curly. I only use mousse and water. I saw in tutorials. Oh. Okay, we're getting a curl. Oops. Yeah, it's coming through. It's coming along. Okay, maybe the roller sets actually work. Is there more? Oh, I think this should be ASMR because maybe y'all can hear the sounds. I'm not sure. Wow, mommy. Wow, 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 mommy. Wow. Que lo que. Oh, one with the Velcro curls. What are you getting? Yay! It gives absolutely nothing. I think because it was a bit curlier, but the front is giving, bruh. I'm sure you can see that. Oh, that girl gave us absolutely nothing. Oh, I have to buy more of these gray ones. I think the really big ones didn't work as much. They don't hold as much curls as the other larger gray ones. Oh, oh girl, oh. Okay. Okay. I got so much pen in here because none of these curls were holding, and I'm guessing the reason why they weren't holding was because I have too much hair on the roller. Did you see, guys? Did you guys see that? I don't know. Some of it's curled, some of it's not. I'm guessing the ones that had less hair curled more on these type of rolls. Ooh. Yo, am I looking sweet, like tantalizing? Okay, the ones with the bigger rolls will not hold as much curls. I mean, gave me a wave, I guess. Gave me. Go ahead, girl. Give me nothing. It gave me, yeah, gave me something. Oh, hello. You think I would look good like this? It's almost done. Ooh, tantalizing. Look. Like, let's see what this is giving. New curls now, look. Certified curler. These are the end results of the curls. If you guys can see, this is the end results of the salon. So this is when I thought I heard something. Right. So these are the end results. I don't know if I should comb it out yet. It needs a little hot tool comb up in here, but I could curl y'all hair pretty much. Y'all gonna ask me, how you do this? YouTube, baby. YouTube, baby. I guess it didn't let me finish being great. But, you see this? Why she hit the phone. You see the end results though? I hit in the back of his melon. Yeah.